General Granger versus General Alexander.
My super weapons are ready. Are you? Welcome, General. Are you ready to begin? Oh, what's that sound? And look, there's a light in the sky. I wonder. Oh dear. I am sorry, General, but that's just how I like to say hello. Well, good luck, General.
Want to make some improvements? Bring on the scaffolding.
Oh, you're still here, General. I'm impressed by your determination. Let's dance.
Let's build. Going up. New construction. Any more projects? Good area.
They're attacking our base!
Yeah.
A war factory? You're seriously going to attack me, aren't you? It's about time.
Locked in. Buck it up. 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 How about a lift?
We're waiting for you,
Come on
General.
in.
What's keeping you?
Break it loose! Humvee here. How about a lift? Got room for 5. Whoa! Come on in. Got room for 5. Have a job for me? For me. On the job.
You may think I'm hiding, but I'm really just planning.
Hey, check out our new tow missile.
Nice airfield, General. Just keep those planes away from my particle cannon.
King Raptor ready for takeoff. King Raptor ready for takeoff. King Raptor ready for takeoff. King
All
Raptor
those
ready
planes
for
are just
takeoff.
air pollution to me.
Little air show for our fans out there.
That didn't hurt too much, did it? You don't know what to expect from me, do you? Your presence is starting to bother me, General. Who was supposed to be guarding that area?
Our laser should keep them off. We control the skies. Yeehaw!
Another perfectly executed strike. I'd attack if I were you, General. If you wait, then I'll just have one more super weapon to fire at you.
King Raptor ready for takeoff. King Raptor ready for takeoff. King Raptor ready for takeoff. King Raptor here. Little air show for our fans out there.
It's all going according to plan. I don't believe you have the right security clearance to be here. This is my base. Get out now. My greatest superweapon is my brain. Wouldn't you agree, General?
We control the skies. Our laser should keep them off. Got you covered.
How does that feel, General? Well, don't expect me to be a good hostess. So, your overall strategy is to bore me off the battlefield.
Flying high. Laser defense is ready. Jumping in.
Why don't you just give up? I have better things I could be doing today. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail, General. Think about it. You are pushing me over
King
budget,
Raptor here.
General.
We control the skies. What do you got? Little air show for our fans out there. Yep.
Fools rush in, just General. I take my time. General, look over there. Someone's capturing your buildings. Not gonna fall for it, huh?
I'm listening. We are cruising. Got it. Let's mix it up.
You know, if you were a gentleman, you'd give me 5 minutes to rebuild my defenses.
Raptor here. We control the skies. Yeehaw!
I warn you not to underestimate me.
You are victorious.
It's not fair. One more